These are the steps that you want to use in order to pair a 10 milliwatt JMS Elite remote. Sometimes they may have a blue color around the outside. Other ways you can verify is by looking on the back at the serial number, and you'll see where it says 9819. That means you have a 10 milliwatt remote. So starting with your jetter in the off position, you're going to push and hold the M-stop off button and the remote on button until your TX light goes solid. This could take several seconds. Once the TX light goes solid, you're going to immediately stop pressing the buttons and push the M-stop off button within a matter of 1 or 2 seconds. Once you've done that, you're going to apply power to your control box and keep holding the M-stop off button until the screen goes blue. Once the screen goes blue, all of your lights will light up and you hit remote on, and you'll now notice your TX and your RX will light up and your remote status on your control panel will say on. That is how you pair a JMS Elite 10 milliwatt remote control.